Just when you thought industrial robots had already showed their maximum capabilities in various factories and warehouses around the world, people find a new way to automate these machines, or monstrosities, or female humanoid robots, or how about just robots? And why? All to go even further in more sectors of our lives and workplaces to steal and take away our jobs. Although in today's video, and in the case of Nike's sneaker robot B.I.L.L, is this robot actually stealing jobs? Or has Nike found an interesting way to recycle and showcase old shoes? Well, meet Nike's sneaker cleaning robot, B.I.L.L, which stands for Bot Initiated Longevity Lab. The Nike sneaker robot B.I.L.L, which Nike says is its latest experiment to help chart the way towards a more circular future with sneakers. The B.I.L.L sneaker robot uses advanced robotics, old school handcraft, water-based cleaning products, and recycled polyester patches to extend the life of various sneakers such as the Air Force Ones, Air Jordans, Nike Cross Trainers, and Nike Dunks. After loading a shoe into the robot, a three-dimensional digital model of the shoe is created, pinpointing detailed areas of cleaning on the upper, the sidewalls, and the outsole. People interacting with the robot, or shoppers, can then select patches to repair areas of wear and tear on the upper of their shoes, once the robot has finished cleaning the shoes. All in all, the B.I.L.L robot takes about 45 minutes to process a pair of Air Force Ones, which then Nike Store Athletics add new liners and laces made from recycled materials. The B.I.L.L robot joins Nike's other sustainable services, including Nike's Recycling and Donation, Nike Refurbished, and tutorial videos that aim to help consumers repair and restore their favorite footwear. Nike says its circular vision includes products that are made with the intention of being reused, remade, rediscovered, and loved again as something brand new, while extending the life of a product is a key component of their circular future. While the company continues to explore more solutions and is experimental with tools and services that help extend the life of their Nike products, Nike further said giving a product a second life reduces its environmental impact on the planet. And this insight is what led to the creation of B.I.L.L, the sneaker cleaning robot.
This is Nike's Bot Initiated Longevity Lab, or B.I.L.L for short. B.I.L.L is a new robot-powered cleaning system that Nike says will not only deep clean, but also allow you to customize and repair your old worn-out shoes.
Brain time. Congratulations, you made it this far in the video. What would you do if I told you you could have 25 years of good luck, and all you'd have to do is like this video and also subscribe if you haven't already? Well, what are you waiting for? Smash that like button and you'll get 25 years of good luck. And now, back to the video. Some people say that flying first class is the best experience anybody can have, while others say it's definitely the most comforting experience you can have on an airplane 35,000 feet above the ground. And so when we think about robots in the sky, most often it's probably recalling some sci-fi anime manga or film. But actually, in fact, that notion of robots in the sky being related to anything sci-fi or paranormal or superhuman is kind of outdated. Because living in the year 2023 with supersonic boom jets that are able to fly from Vancouver to Sydney in less than 5 hours, and giant airliners like the Airbus A380, which even has a shower on board a commercial airline for first class passengers, then the idea of humanoid robots on a commercial airplane shouldn't be so far off. In fact, huge aviation groups like the Airbus Group have teamed up with Robotics Laboratory to launch a new joint research program that aims to develop humanoid robots that will be used for aviation manufacturing. The project is called Comanoid, which stands for Multi-Contact Collaborative Humanoids. By combining Japanese expertise in hardware and robotics along with advanced French knowledge of mathematics and algorithms, the joint venture encourages initial progress in fields such as robot design and haptics, as well as tactile perception and continuous CADR. The team spoke and said building on these achievements would develop multi-contact locomotion, which enables humanoid robots to move using not just their feet, but also other body parts such as elbows, knees, and hands as a human would when crawling. A new breed of humanoid robots. While in South Korea, a company called Cased have gone beyond the research of developing unmanned aircrafts to testing humanoid robots designed to operate a regular aircraft by sitting in the pilot's seat and using controls just like a human would. But all of this is just boring, to be honest. What if we could have humanoid human-like female robots with giant boobs be our flight attendants, or have personal companion robots in first class? But if so, then you would probably want to exercise some caution around the private onboard shower on the Airbus A380. Otherwise, you could maybe find yourself being electrocuted on an airplane. Probably not the steamy electrical scenario you were hoping for, because they're robots, right? Brain time. Congratulations, you made it this far in the video. What would you do if I told you you could have 25 years of good luck, and all you'd have to do is like this video and also subscribe if you haven't already? Well, what are you waiting for? Smash that like button and you'll get 25 years of good luck. And now, back to the video.